The biggest beginner guitar mistake I see made by beginners worldwide online nowadays is the following. It is, oh, by the way, my name is Dave from the schoolofguitar.com, and I put up new lessons each day here. If you want to keep up to date, please like, please subscribe, please follow. Right, here's the setup. The biggest mistake I see players out there nowadays, especially beginners, making is dabbling in bits of lessons online, doing bits of this and bits of that and bits of something else, and then turning back after a while and going, where am I in this whole guitar journey? Or how come I've hit this roadblock? How come I feel stuck or I'm frustrated? In the beginning, the best thing to start out with is to pick 3 chords and just master those. Learn 3-chord trick songs, or 4 chords even, and stick with those. Get 5 or 6 songs under your belt using the exact same chords, and then add in another chord. Watch out that you don't go clicking thumbnails and doing bits of lessons here and there. Okay,